To reduce our dependence on rare earth minerals, we have a new technology that has been devised, and this is a aluminum ion revolution. The idea is rather than using lithium ion batteries, we would now switch to aluminum ion batteries. So what is this whole idea? Now this is an innovative battery structure which could have more than 150 successful charge discharge cycles that can be done and can be used for long term use for next generation electronics. So how would it work? There would be anode and cathode. The anode would be molybdenum trioxide, where the oxidation would occur. The cathode would be copper hexacyanoferrate, where the reduction process would be occurring, and this would be in an aqueous electrolyte solution through which aluminum ions can easily flow. Now, this would be a better option in light of two facts. One is lithium is a rare earth mineral, so we would reduce or cut our dependence on rare earth. The second is aluminum is widely abundantly available. It is non-toxic, so it is more sustainable and cost-effective energy solution if can be brought into real use applications. So, where could be the applications? In smartphones, in wearable electronics, in electric vehicles, and grid storage systems. It has its strength that it is low cost, flexible, non-flammable, safe, environmental friendly, sustainable. However, there are limitations which include the corrosion risk at the anode, lower charge and discharge speed, electrode degradation, and slow ion diffusion. However, if we look onto the safety features and the energy densities, if we compare the various ion batteries that are present, aluminum ion has a very high parameter for safety and definitely has a better metrics as compared to lithium ion and sodium ion batteries. So this is some of the important things that we have discussed. Of course, a breakthrough revolution, a major development in the field of scientific technology developed at Bangalore. So this could change the face of lithium ion batteries. We would be covering more important concepts related to science and technology in the upcoming sessions. So stay tuned, stay subscribed. Have a wonderful day.